Hello children, I am Divyashri. Today I am going to assist for class 8 Science chapter 1 Natural Resources. In this chapter, first we will learn classification of natural resources. The things that occurs in nature and that are useful to us we call it as natural resources. Children, we know we use many things which is occurring from the nature, either living things or non-living things. So we have understand about natural resources. We see various kinds of living and non-living things in everyday life. That is living resources and non-living resources. The natural resources is classified into two groups, that is living resources and non-living resources. First we will learn what is living resources. The things which we are using from living resources, either from plants or animals. So examples, forest and wildlife. So forest is nothing but trees, plants. So the best example is timber. Timber we will get from forest, and animal product like leather we get from wildlife. Next we will go for the non-living resources. Non-living resources, which it is again classified into two groups, that is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources means the things which can be replenished easily in nature. So once when we are using it, we can replenish it. We can get it back from the nature. The renewable resources is again classified into two groups, that is inexhaustible and exhaustible. Inexhaustible is we will get the resources continuously. So the resources which is available for us in all the time we will call it as inexhaustible. For example, solar energy. So how much if we use also, we will get it back in every day. So that is solar energy and wind. If we come to the exhaustible, in exhaustible we can replenish that but not easily. So we have to maintain a flow. So without this wildlife and forest we can't live. We have to maintain. So we should not deplete full wildlife. We can't destroy all, because we have to maintain a flow in our environment. So next if we go for non-renewable resources. So non-renewable resources which we cannot get replenished in nature easily. Once we have depleted, we can't get replenished the resources. Minerals and fossil fuels like petrol, coal, mineral ores. So these are all essential products which is occurring in nature. So we have to maintain a flow. So once we have depleted that, it takes a long billion years to again to get. It takes long time. So these are non-renewable resources. So this is the classification of natural resources. So we will continue in next class.